Lovely images. Another Canva tutorial on t-shirts. Okay, so let's go. Hey wonderful people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing a Canva t-shirt design for children. Looking at my screen, you'll see lovely images. These are the initial images I generated to designs, proud designs I made to this video. Okay, so now for us to generate this image, we'll go to our image creator. Now I used the Bing image creator to generate these images. So we'll log on to Bing image creator and it is free. Okay, so we'll give it a prompt, and the prompt create an image of an African American baby girl with a coily tied hair with a purple dotted hairband sitting and playing. You can give it different prompts. You might change the color and it will give you wonderful images. Okay, so just be creative in the use of your words so that it will give you lovely images. But if you want to get this the African American, make sure you make emphasis on African American, maybe a girl, a toddler, a preschooler, or a lady, whichever suits you or whichever design you want to. Okay, so from here we'll go over to our Canva and we'll click on t-shirt design. If that is only accessible to those using the Canva Pro account. So you click on the t-shirt design. Already I've downloaded this image prior to this video, so I didn't have to download all over again. So all I had to do is just to go to my upload, and I got my images and started designing. So I'll click on remove background, and it's only accessible to Canva Pro version, so I remove the background. Okay, so you have to remove the background for the work to be transparent enough for any design you want to apply on it. Okay, so I go back to elements, and I'll pick up this pink background. I needed a black girl quote, but I saw this and I decided to try out this design. Okay, so when you go to element, you type black girl quotes, it will bring out this and you choose what you want. Okay, so I used that background and I started my design. I chose a team girl, although it's too faint, you might not see it very well, but the word there is team girl. Okay, duplicated in two places. So still in elements, I added another quote, I matter. If you look closely, you see it, I matter, team girl, although it's a little faint. So still in elements, I search for transparent gradient, shining pink. Okay, I chose this design. If you can see, all the designs I used on this is from transparent gradient pink glitter. So you just play around with it. You can see different glitters of pink. You choose the one that is most suitable for the design you want to apply it to. So with this, I came up with these different designs. I have the pink glitter and different glitters. So we go ahead and click on t-shirt. We click on print. Okay, and this will appear. You click on the t-shirt and we can see the samples of the designs. Okay, so let's try our hands on another design now. This is another image I generated. So I'll remove the background. I click on the background remover, remove the background. Went ahead to elements to choose okay, I typed in twins. As you can see, most of the images here are coming in two. Okay, I chose this one, a hat. I'll send this to the back. I'll click on position and I'll send it to the back. Okay, as you can see, and I will expand the image. Okay, so I expand the image and adjust the image to fit into the Canva. So I'll just play around this and make sure it fits into the Canva properly. Go back to elements and I choose this image. You can see that this is also a twin image, so I fit it in, position it in properly. So all this is just about your creativity, right? Now I pick this element sisters. You can see the sisters in the form of a heart. This is still under twin. That's if you go to element to type twins, that is where you get all this. Now I duplicate this. Okay, so I duplicated this to add to the background. Then I got a hat, twin hats also duplicated, and still adding it to this background. So you just keep playing around it. Okay, so I'll go back and pick a gold hat. I'll pick a gold hat. Okay, so I'll go ahead, click on the sisters, duplicate it, adjust the hat to the upper side of the Canva, and try to fit in the images properly. So I'll still go back to elements and try more designs. Okay, you can see another twin hat in a gold form. All this is just to get a better design. It's all about your creativity and filling up the canvas so that it won't be too empty when you place it on your decoration. No, this is not just it. I'll delete this. So you just have to fill up the space so that when you place it on the t-shirt, it won't look too empty. So I'll go back to all this has to be do with pink, glittering pink. Okay, so looking at it, I'll get this glittering pink now. I'll move this to the back. I'll click on position and I'll move it to the back of the images. Okay, so position to back. So this is much better. So to give the background a little of a color to bring out a better reflection when placed on the t-shirt. So we'll go ahead and click on the t-shirt. That's a Canva t-shirt now. I will mock it up on the children's t-shirt. Let's try it on okay, a toddler's t-shirt now. Okay, let's try it on a baby spinafore. So you can see it that this is looking very lovely, and different shades of color. Wow, they're all looking lovely. At least I guess I prefer it much better in sky blue. The pink also is lovely. Yes, I love this. And also the white. The designs all appear beautiful in all different shades of color, in the variance of color. Okay, we are trying it on a toddler or a preschooler t-shirt now. This is also lovely. In fact, the design came out more on a pink color. And the first design, if we remove that pink background too, it will have a good look. So this is our second design, and it is lovely for all I can see. Then let's go ahead and try a third design and see what it's going to look like. So with these different designs, you can go ahead and try your own design. So this will take us to our third design. So in this design, you go ahead, remove the background. You click on remove the background. I rotate the image. Okay, so after rotating the image, I'll go to elements and get the black girl quotes. So these are already used, so it's already popping up in my elements. So I go for this. Girls can do anything. Okay, so go back to elements and look for quote bubble. So you can see several quote bubbles, and this is only available in the pro version of Canva. So I put in the quotes in the quote bubble. Okay, so I'll just keep adjusting and keep working around this until I get the perfect posture that I desire. Then I go to elements, I type in table, I get this table. I want to get the posture to prove that girls can do anything. So you can see the table is positioned for her to place her hand on the table to prove that even in her infant age, she can actually climb a table. That's to show that girls can do anything. So I'll keep adjusting this. Remember, you go to elements, you look for table. So keep adjusting this so I make sure that our hand fits on the table. Then I go back to elements, look for transparent gradients, right? Okay, so look for an orange transparent gradient, and you can see all the designs in the elements. And like I said earlier, this is a pro version of Canva. So I just keep working around this. I click on position. Okay, so I want to make it much thicker. Let the consistency be much thicker. Go to position, I'll send it to the back. So you can see our design is taking shape gradually. You'll see the purple lines there. That is also what I brought, is a design I brought from Elements. You can see it at Elements there. Okay, so we'll just keep adjusting, work around it until it perfectly takes shape. So this is just what we have. Then I go back to Element, pick up this design. Okay, so just an object she's holding on to while she's standing on the table, or holding onto the table trying to stand up. So go back to Elements. You can see the sparkles, the stars. I also brought this out from Elements, transparent gradients. Once you type in transparent gradients, you'll see different kind of sparkles. Remember, pro version of Canva. So I just keep fixing them in to the Canva, my working space, until it looks attractive enough. So I fill it up. I fill up my working space on my Canva. I fill it up so that when mocked up in a t-shirt, it won't look too scanty. So I'll keep working around this, add more designs. Okay, you can see the diamond shape. I pick up this design from transparent gradient, send it to the back just to enhance the background of the work, so that when it's mocked up it will look much more thicker, or it will look much more consistent. The space will not be, or it won't be too open or too vacuum. So you can see me move it to the back, place it properly for it to get a better good shape or good positioning. So here we are. Our work is almost ready. So I'll just keep working around this until it's well fitted. Okay, so that is our work ready now. We now go over to the t-shirt, Canva t-shirt, and we'll mock this up so we can see our design in different shades. Wow, this is very lovely. So we can also this on black, it is lovely. On the blue, sky blue is wow. And even in the ash color now, it is also appearing wonderful. And I wish I could become a child to fit into any of these designs. So with this, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If this video has added any value to you, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.